what I'm doing is I'm creating a story, and Stephen the same thing, and Dave the same thing. We're creating a story as to how we think the market should react. And by having that story, some people say, I don't want to make a story because you're afraid you're going to be wrong. But reality is, by having that story, we know when that story changes. I can say, this is what it should do. And if it doesn't do that, now I know when the market is not acting the way that it should be, when my yellow flag goes up.
That's a good point. Now that information is actionable.
Right.
The fact that it didn't do what I expected, that's valuable information.
It is. And we could also say, now that it's done this, and we have new information in the marketplace, now that it's done this, it should do that. And this tells me whether the market is making sense to us or not. If the market's making sense to us, I'm trading bigger, I'm trading more aggressively. If the market's not making sense, I know it's not making sense, and I say, oh, maybe I should trade smaller because it's not making sense to me anymore.
Right. It sounds funny when you put it in those terms. It's easy to use trader common sense, isn't it?